Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Sazib from SHADAT'S. I am back another camera comparison video. Today video about is Redmi Note 8 and Pocophone F1 camera comparison. So guys, this is the video. Redmi Note 8 quad camera phone. First one 48 megapixel 26 mm wide with 1.8 aperture. Second 8 megapixel 13 mm ultra wide with 2.2 aperture. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture dedicated micro camera. And fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Pocophone F1 also dual camera. First one 12 megapixel 1.9 aperture and second 5 megapixel depth sensor. Pocophone F1 you can record highest 4K 60 fps, but Redmi Note 8 you can record highest 4K 30 fps. Now I can record both camera 4K 30 fps.